Hey everyone, Sean is here. Welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to go over the best ways to choose a niche and also most profitable affiliate marketing niches. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about what are the best niches that you can choose, and also the thing is, I'm gonna go over my own experience with them. Okay, I'm not just gonna tell you something that a lot of people state on internet. I'm just gonna go over my own experience to tell you what are the most profitable niches that you can use that you can join to make money from them. And also I'm gonna go over a couple of things that you need to understand before thinking about a specific niche to go and promote something from there. So let's go over the first slide. So the first thing you need to consider is, well, first there's a couple of things you need to consider when it comes to choosing a niche. All right, so because the niche you choose is basically the path to your success. All right, so you need to choose something that is really in your area. Okay, let me open this up for you. So first thing is, what's your passion? Just think about it for 10 minutes, just think about it. What's your passion? What is that you like to do when it comes to, selling, or not just selling, but, spending time, because you're going to spend a couple of hours a day on this business, so you need to at least be in something that you are interested about. So think, what is your passion and what just you like in general. And next thing is, if you have any past experience in a specific business or job that you liked, you can go and promote products in that specific niche or category. Okay, so for example, if you've worked in a restaurant, you can promote, and if you liked it, that's the most important part. If you liked it, and if you liked it, you can just go and promote products related to food. Just an idea right there, right? So remember, if you have any past experience in a specific business or job that you liked, that's really important, that you liked it. If you liked it, you can just go and promote products in that specific business and niche. All right, so that's the one. And the next one is, what's your goal really? Just think about it. Are you trying to just earn some extra money, or you're trying to build a business and make a lot of money? I mean, it's really a no-brainer, right? We want to make money online and we want to make a lot of money, obviously, but there's a couple of niches that they are not going to bring you fast money in the beginnings, but if you work on them, they're going to bring you money. They're going to make you a lot of money in future. And it's really important to specify what's your goal before choosing a niche. All right, and these are things that we're going to go over. I'm going to talk about them more in the next slide, so just don't worry about them. And next one is how much money and time you're willing to invest. This is really important, because if you're trying to promote, for example, if you're trying to promote a product in health niche, you don't have to spend too much time and money to make a sale. Okay, but if you're trying to promote, if your passion is to sell something in finance market, I mean, like a product related to, let's say, stock market, you need to invest more time and some money to make that sell, because it's not really easy to sell that kind of product. So remember, just think about how much time and money you're willing to invest. And the last one is, what's your income goal? Okay, because there's a lot of products you can promote, but every sale that you make is really not going to make a significant change in your life or business. For example, if you decide to promote products on ClickBank, yes, you can make money from ClickBank, but it's not going to be big, right? Because, well, a $25 or $50 commission is really not going to make a significant change on someone's life. So remember to have your income goal in your mind. And something I'm going to mention in the next slide is high ticket affiliate programs. That's why I actually put that income goal at the end, because we're going to talk about that more in the next slide. All right, so let's go over my personal experience when it comes to choosing a niche. First one, which is the most profitable niche that I've been in my life actually, is just being in high ticket affiliate programs. Now, I don't really call it a niche, but I had to put it in there. Let me tell you what is a high ticket affiliate program if you don't know what is it. A high ticket affiliate program is basically an affiliate program that pays you more than usual affiliate program, where you get to sell big products, high ticket, high price point products, and make big money. For example, I'm in a high ticket affiliate program that pays me over $9,000 per sale. Okay, the minimum money I make on every sale is, the lowest amount is $1,250, and the highest amount is $9,000 per sale. So that's big money right there. I mean, you really don't need too many sales to make a significant change on your life if you are in a high ticket affiliate program. That's why I mentioned it's really important to have an income goal, so you can strategize how you can achieve your income goal. Okay, so that's high ticket affiliate programs. And also I'm gonna have a extra section about high ticket affiliate programs at the end of this course, so we're going to go over high ticket affiliate programs more and more. All right, so there's really nothing to worry about. If you want to learn more about it, you're going to learn more about high ticket affiliate programs. So the next one is make money online niche, basically internet marketing niche. If you want to spend the time to promote make money online or internet marketing niche products, they can make good money for you. And let me tell you, from high ticket, let's go back to high ticket affiliate programs. From high ticket affiliate programs, I make over $30,000. Okay, that's my top money making niche. And the next one is make money online niche. I promote some products on ClickBank which are related to make money online niche. And then the next one is health products. I make some good money from health products, and I'm going to actually show you that in a second. Health products are really health is a very big niche, and if you want to make fast money, health products are the best way to go about it. All right, so and that's really a big niche. Health industry worth billions of dollars. So imagine how much money there is to make for you and me. So it's a really huge niche. And the last one is personal help, which is dating and confidence improvement products. I've been promoting some of them on ClickBank, and they make good money from me. So that's my top 4 niches from my personal experience when it comes to choosing a product, choosing a niche to promote, to make commissions online. All right, so that's pretty much it. So let's go over a couple of things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things that three affiliate marketing networks that you can find good products to promote. All right, so let's go over this course. So the first one is high ticket affiliate programs. If you want to do high ticket affiliate programs, you need to join Mobi. Okay, this is Mobi is, well, if you can just Google it, but Mobi is one of the most what they call it, I just forgot the word, but one of the most known affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing companies in the world. Okay, there is nothing like Mobi. They pay high ticket commissions on time, and they're just huge, and there's a lot of money to make on Mobi because they have amazing products. You can just sell a lot of different products and make big fat commissions. All right, so if you want to join a high ticket affiliate program, Mobi is the best one, and if you want to learn more about it, you can contact me. But yeah, Mobi is the one of the best ones that you can just go about if you want to promote high ticket affiliate programs. Now, for the Make Money Online health products and personal help, the next one is ClickBank. Okay, there's a lot of great products on ClickBank, and in the next video actually I'm going to show you how you can research a product so you make sure it's a good product to promote. We're not done with we're not done with niche and product selection yet. We have a lot to talk about. Okay, so ClickBank, on ClickBank you can find a lot of great stuff, from e-business, affiliate marketing products, video marketing, self-help and also health and fitness products. All right, there's a lot of great products to promote on ClickBank, and we're gonna go over them in the next video. And the last one is Max Bounty. Now, Max Bounty is an affiliate program that I usually suggest for health products because it's just absolutely amazing. They have this great products to promote when it comes to health marketing and weight loss and that kind of stuff. So definitely check Max Bounty out because it's just great. It's a great place, and as you see, I'm making good money from it, obviously. So yeah, so that's just pretty much it for this video. We're gonna wrap it up, guys. Let me show you something. Alright guys, so the next video is going to be about how to choose a product, how to choose a good product to promote. Okay, so basically that's gonna be the last piece of this puzzle. So right now you know what kind of so by now you definitely know what is the niche that you want to work in. And next video is going to be about how to choose a good product to promote. Okay, because when it comes to choosing a product, there's a lot to consider, and we're going to talk about it in the next video. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.